What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but I'm back. I'm hoping to be uploading a lot more consistently. That's my New Year's resolution for 2022, is to be uploading a lot more on this channel. I just got a ton of stuff in, but today we're going to be replacing the license plate lights, which are currently like a yellow light, which comes standard from factory from Toyota. We're going to be replacing them with LEDs, which I personally bought from 4Runner Lifestyle, which is basically just an entire plug and play. So it's not just an LED bulb that we're going to be replacing. This connector plugs right into where the current bulb is, which I'll show you guys here in a second. And this thing is really, I hope to be like a 5-minute install. It should be very simple. So let's get right into it. All right, so I moved down to the ground here. I'll set you guys up that way we can get a perfect shot at this. The very first step we're going to do, we're going to be taking this Phillips head screwdriver, and we're just simply going to be taking out these 4 screws that are currently in here, which hold the license plate lights that are currently in the vehicle. And as you can see, once we get the 4 lights down, we can see that this actually comes out of the holder that's already in there. And what we're going to be doing is taking this basically rubber gasket off. It fell off pretty easily because I've been messing with it a little bit, but yours might be a little bit harder to do. And we're just simply going to be taking out this bulb that is already in there. If you pull a little bit of a tug into it, it should just slide completely out, and that is literally taking out the license plate light. We're gonna do the same exact thing on this side, and then we'll talk about the install of the new lights going into it. All right, so we've got this side taken out. We're gonna be taking off this side. Same exact thing, just unscrewing these 2 screws that are currently in it. And once you get both of these unscrewed, we're just going to be taking this out. This one was a little bit trickier to get out. All right, so we've got both of the lights taken out now. And like I said earlier, I'll try to zoom into it up here. And you can see the hole there that's open. That's basically where the light's going to be plugging into up there. Very, very simple. We'll zoom you guys out and we'll put in the new lights. So when you get the package from 4Runner Lifestyle, they're actually going to be giving you 4 different size screws as well. I don't know if they're different sizes, but they're just completely different. So I went ahead and replaced them. Another important thing, to try to replicate the rubber gaskets that come on the light originally, you've got this gasket that basically just helps keep weather and rain and stuff out from the car. They're going to be sending you basically just a Velcro strip that goes on top of it to basically replicate that rubber gasket on the factory piece. So the Velcro piece is very simple. It just sticks right on to the piece from 4Runner Lifestyle, which they'll send you in the package. We're gonna take this with the screws that they sent us, plug it back into where that light bulb was, and then just screw these in and we'll see if they work. So we got that first one plugged up in there. We're just gonna be taking that same size Phillips screwdriver, plugging this back up into here. Sweet. Sweet. So we just got that first one plugged in. I'm actually gonna put the old bulb back up into this one just so you guys can reference and give a comparison to see if this LED light's brighter than the yellow light on this side. So let's put that old bulb back in real quick just to show you guys the difference. We're just gonna leave it tucked up in there. Let me go turn on the car real quick. Sweet, so as we can see here, this LED light's a lot brighter than the yellow light is over there. So I think for $15 that it's worth and how much I bought it for on the website, I think it's definitely a good deal. You can see on camera, this is a lot brighter than the yellow light. I actually tested it out a little bit last night, and this light actually portrays down onto the ground. So I think it might be a little bright, a little bit like too much, but it's me. I love it. I think it's absolutely perfect. So let's put the other LED light on this side since we know that this works, and we'll see what both of them look like together. All right, so we got both of them installed now. Both of them work fine. Entire install took about only 5 minutes. Probably the easiest thing I've ever done to this car, except maybe the blackout badges, changing it. It was really that simple. I think 4Runner Lifestyle, they provided a great product here. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys liked the video and the installation, please drop a like on the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm going to be uploading hopefully a lot more frequently now that I've got a little bit more time on my hands to do so. Please drop a comment what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see anything added on to this car, I'm doing basically a big light series. I'm going to be changing out a ton of these current like yellow lights on the car, switching them out to LED lights. So yeah, that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys all for watching and have a blessed day.